In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete API tokens in Hostinger. If you want to remove an API token that you no longer use, the process is very quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can do it without confusion. Deleting unused tokens is a good habit because it helps keep your account organized and improves security by making sure old access credentials are no longer active. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where your settings and tools are available. This is where you'll be able to manage things related to your account, including API access. Next, look over to the left-hand panel. This side menu is where Hostinger lists different sections you can open and manage. In that panel, find the option labeled API and click on it. This will take you to the area where your API settings and tokens are displayed. After opening the API section, you'll be able to see your existing API token or tokens. This page is where Hostinger shows the tokens that are currently associated with your account. Before deleting anything, make sure you're selecting the correct token, especially if you have more than one. This is important because once a token is deleted, any service, app, or connection using that token may stop working immediately. When you're ready, simply click the delete icon next to the API token you want to remove. Usually this icon is easy to spot and is placed beside the token entry. After clicking it, Hostinger will ask you to confirm the deletion. This extra confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental removal, so review your choice and then confirm if you're sure. Once you confirm, the API token will be deleted from your account. At that point, it will no longer be usable for authentication or external connections. If that token was connected to a tool or automation, you may need to update that integration with a different token if you still want it to function. And that's it. That's how to delete API tokens in Hostinger. It only takes a moment, but it's an important part of keeping your account secure and properly maintained.